to cope with. So I'm going to show you how to do a layman hem. Very simple way of doing hem. And the hem is going to be the first video now. Is going to show you how to do stretchy hem. Before I will now show you in video B how to do non-stretchy hem. Come along, let's see. Guys, I've already bring out my needle, like cast on 20 by 20 already. You can see it. This is 20 and 20, so we call it 20 by 20. And this is my row counter set on 00 already. Then you are going to go back to your tension and make sure you set your tension on a tight number. You know, the 10 is the loosest number there and 0 is the tightest, but I'm going to choose 7 as the tension I want to use for rib 1-1. This rib I want to show you how to do is called rib 1-1. The rib that is like hem is an hem, a pattern of hem is what I want to show you how to do, just like my introduction. So I've already cast on. I'm going to, when you cast on your desired number, you are going to push back with the help of this some needles. That is, you select it one after the other to back position. It's going to be on position A, like is resting. We need it, but not now. We don't need it now. Let it go to rest out of our cast on needle. So I'm going to leave the other half on B position, which is working position. So it's already set. I'm going to cast on right now. So my needle down to my main carriage, then I move by casting none. When I get to the down, then I'm going to close this to avoid my work, my knitting dropping. So I'm going to use this weight comb. Make sure you centralize the work at the middle. Don't allow this part to be longer, one part to be longer than another one. So I'm going to hang this on it. Then let me, at the head of my needle, let me put this to secure the tail of the needle of the wool. So right now it's already set. I've already knit one row, a row of casting on. So I'm going to move by knitting 40 rows. So guys, let's count on. So this is 2. Sorry about this. I have to put a weight. I don't need to use my hand, but if you are comfortable by using your hand, it's fine. But I always use my hand. But let me just put a weight. You have to put a weight, maybe for the beginner that did not know how to hold it along when you are knitting. So let me put a weight for you to see. So I've already put a weight for me not to bother myself, just to hold my carriage and start to knit. So this is row 2. So I'm going to go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can see how the non-working position needle creates a gap that will later become a stretchy part that will give it the stretchy form of the fabric. So let's go on and knit. This is 20 already. 40. This is 40. So I'm going to remove this gently. Also this gently, and this gently as well. Just remove it gently from the work. Okay, that's good, very clean. So I'm going to use my transfer tool, the one that has one mouth, and I'm going to fold the rib one by one pattern, the stretchy hem. So when you want to fold it, you can see the stitches are very clean. You can see how the stitches are. They are very clean. You can see them. You can see. So I'm going to go for the down one, not the upper one. I'm going to go for the down one and start to fix it back onto the resting needle that I told you that they are in A position. So you see, I'm not going to pick this. No, I'm going to pick the down one. Fit. So you do this to all the stitches. So we are folding it right away. You can see it. Make sure you don't split the ply of the wool. So just go in gently and fix it on the needle one by one to the end of the needle you cast on, just like this. So the last one, good. You can see it, they are all there, and the needle is already complete. So I'm going to bring the last empty one to make it 20 by 20. So what am I going to do? I'm going to use my comb to push it back gently. This one to get off, so you be careful, don't allow anyone to get off. So I'm going to lose the first stitches out of it. You can see it now, the first one that we did not pick. I'm going to lose it out of the work. So let me get the help of my scissors. So I'm going to lose it off. You can see it's coming up gradually. Make sure you pull it off. You can see it line up here. Okay, that's good. And you watch carefully, none of your stitches drop. Okay. That's the end of, you can see it. Then you push it back. Just look at the way it's neat. This is rib one by one, a stretchy hem rib. Is rib one by one. The pattern name is rib one by one. You can see where we push out the empty needle that it creates this line. So now I'm going to increase my tension to 8 or 9. Let me put it on line 9, number 9. Then I'm going to knit a few rows for us to see how the normal knitting stitches look like and how the stretchy hems look like. So I'm going to hang this on it just to pull a little weight on it so that it won't pull off. So let's go. Okay. Cut it off. That's the end of it. Then I hang it off. Then you remove this. So see, can it be you are making a project, maybe a stocking or a baby clothes, you have to now do the body of the work. This is the main body of the work, but this is the hem that you decide to design, and this is very, like, It's not tedious, it's not like advanced way of doing it. There is so many way of doing it in advanced way, but this is so simple for a beginner to do. So let me take my carriage on it and bring it out for us to see. Yeah, you can see it. You can see the main body of the work, like the normal knitting is wider, and this is closing in, like stretching back inside. So it's going to stretch back inside, and it's going to be like stretchy fabric, just to give you a band look on your sweater. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate that you enjoy this, and I hope you try your own rib one by one and leave a comment for me to see how you enjoy doing it and how it is. Subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you for watching. God bless you.